Hi there, this is Nagaraj Arnal, English teacher. In this video, I am going to teach you the comparison of degrees. There are three types of degrees in English. How many types of degrees in English? Three types of degrees are there in English. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree describe that the quality of the person, place, and things. Comparative degree describe that it compare the quality between two nouns or more than two nouns. Superlative degree indicates that highest quality of the person, place, or things. So change the degree means change the shape of the adjectives. Change the degree means change the shape of the adjectives. So there are three shape of adjectives. How many shape of adjectives? Three shape of adjectives. They are positive adjective, comparative adjective, and superlative adjectives. Sweet is positive adjective. Sweeter is comparative adjective. Sweetest is superlative adjectives. So sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Brave, tall, taller, tallest. Brave, braver, bravest. Happy, happier, happiest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Good, better, best. Much, more, most. Old, older, oldest. So these are three shape of degrees. These are three shape of adjectives. Positive adjectives, comparative adjectives, and superlative adjectives. So move on. This is the rule. What is the rule is, if there is comparison between only two nouns, it can be changed in first and second degree only. So meaning is, if there is comparison between two nouns or two things or two places, only two, there is no more than two, only two, that time we use only first degree and second degree. That time we change into positive degree to comparative degree to positive degree, but we cannot change in third degree, superlative degree, because there is only two nouns. That's why we change into positive degree to comparative and comparative to positive. We do not move on. So here is type 1. There are 5 types of degrees in English. When we are going to change, there are 5 types of degrees in English. This is the first type, and two nouns. This is the first type. Here comparison between two nouns, that is called positive type. This is positive type degree, because this is positive type because there is no not. So this is the positive degree. Positive degrees formula: first, subject. Subject means noun or pronoun. Verb, as. Positive adjective, as, and object. Another thing we mind it, that is, in positive degree we use as and as. Middle is positive adjective. Both side we add here. Here is as and here another as. As. In comparative degree, after the comparative adjective we use than. Anywhere after the comparative adjective we use than. In superlative degree, before the superlative adjective we must use the. This is one rules, so we always remind it. So First degree is comparative formula. Subject, subject means noun or pronoun, verb, not, comparative adjective, then object. I told you before that we must use after the comparative adjective then. So here is come then. So example, positive adjective, we construct the sentence according to the formula. First is subject, verb as positive adjective as object. See here. See, subject is verb as positive adjective as her sister. Here is two nouns, she and her sister. She is as happy as her sister. She is happy. How much? As her sister. Both are same. So this is the positive degree. This comparative degree. When we change positive to comparative, that time we took the object from the positive degree into subject in comparative degree. Her sister is not happier than she. So happy positive degree adjective, happier comparative adjective. We are comparing here her sister and she. We are comparing here between two nouns. How her sister, how much is happy, that much she also happy. Here is no change the meaning of the sentence, but we change the shape of the adjectives. So another example, money is as important as education. Money is as middle is positive adjective, both side as and as. Education, money is as important as education. So comparative, education here is object in positive degree. When we compare it, we take it as subject in comparative degree. Education is not more important than money. So here also meaning is same. How much education is important, that much money also important. But we change the adjectives, change the shape of the adjective. Important, more important. Another example, mango is as sweet as apple. Comparative, apple is not sweeter than mango. So move on. I am going to write another example here. Positive first, positive degree, Ravi is as brave as Rama. Here is comparison. Here is two nouns. Ravi is as brave as Rama. Ravi and Rama. When we change into comparative, that time Rama is object here. Which is object? Rama is object. We change the object into subject into comparative. Rama is, we use here not. Rama is not brave. It is positive adjective. We change into comparative adjective. Brave become braver. So we must use here than. Rama is not braver than. Here subject become object. Ravi. So meaning is same. Rama, how much Rama brave is, that much Ravi also brave. But we change the adjectives, shape of the adjectives. So this is the first type degree. This is when we compare from positive to comparative, superlative. This is the first degree. Like this, there are 5 types of degrees. Yet there are four types of degrees remain. I am going to share those one by one. So now you can see properly the notes. If you want to write down, you can write in your notebook. See properly notes. So this is the first type degree. Mind it, I am going to make those degrees one by one. I will make record after that. So thanks for watching.